Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are safe and doing good. In this video, I'm going to tell about aggregate functions in SQL. I will tell how we can use these aggregate functions, why we have to use and all. An aggregate function is a function that performs a calculation on a set of values and returns a single value. It's going to perform some calculation on set of values. Whatever the values we have selected, it's going to perform some function and going to return a single value as an output. Aggregate functions are often used with the group by class of the select statement. We are going to use these aggregate functions with group by class. The group by class splits the result set into groups of values, and the aggregate function can be used to return a single value for each group. Uh, the most commonly used SQL aggregate functions are minimum, min, max, count, sum, and average. These are the aggregate functions which we use commonly in this SQL, MySQL. Min function returns the smallest value within the selected column. We are going to select some columns which we have to print, and we are when we use this min function, it's going to return the smallest value in that column. When we select this max function, it's going to return largest value. When we return count, it's going to return the number of rows in a set. If we select one column, it's going to get the number of rows in that column, right? Sum means it's going to return the total sum of the numerical column. I will explain these things later by using examples and all. Average means it's going to return average of the numerical column. Aggregate functions ignore null values except for count of star. Uh, when we use this function only, it's not going to uh, ignore null values. Normally, it's going to ignore null values, right? Now we are going to see min and max function. In next video, I'm going to tell about count function, average function, and sum function. So, the min function, as I mentioned before only, the min function returns the smallest value of the selected column. And max function is going to return the largest value of the selected column. Syntax is select min min of parenthesis column name, the column name which we want to perform this minimum operation is going to mention here from table name where condition. For max also we are going to use the same syntax, select max of column name from. I will show this with example. See, here we have orders a table. Uh, I displayed all the data which we have in this orders table. Now the columns which I want to print, I'm going to select here, select product name, comma, product price from uh, table name, orders, right? See here, select min of column name. I want to perform, I want to get the minimum value present in this product price column. That is, I want to print this one, and product name which is related to this price. So where we have to perform this min function to this product price, right? Min of product price. See, I'm going to print this product name and minimum of this product price from orders, right? See, I will take this one. See, we got this one, right? Minimum of product price column, right? When we want to select two or three columns, we want to give this aggregate function with group by class. I will tell you that one later. See here. We can give alias names. That is, we set column name alias. When you use minimum or maximum functions, the return column will not have a descriptive name. To give the column a descriptive name, use the as keyword. See, here we don't have any column name, right? So for this we are going to give some column name by using as keyword as min value, right? See, here we have only min. We don't have any column name. Now we will see. See, here we got column name as min value. Like that, what we want to give any descriptive name to this column, we are going to use this as, and we are going to give the name, right? And next, use a min function with group by. As I discussed below before, here we are going to use group by, right? Here we use the minimum function and the group by class to return the smallest price for each category in the products table. I have taken some example, that is products table. Uh, Here we are going to give, we are going to find a smallest price as a smallest price, right? We have given a column name as smallest price and category item. We are going to select a category ID also, but I want to group this category ID. I will explain. See. Select min of product price. Min of product price as min value, comma. I want to group this with this product name from orders. I am going to group this with product name. I will explain this one now. So you got. It's going to take that here. Here we have a product name column, right? It's going to check this product name, that is charts, and it's going to take charts uh, row and going to check whether how many values we have. Here we have for charts we have only one value, right? That is 10. We don't have any other column that is representing this charts product name. because we are going to group this with product name, right? So for product name, for charts we have only one value. If now I'm going to insert some other, insert into orders value of number 6 comma orders comma price, that is 5 rupees. It has been inserted. So we here we not orders. We are going to check this charts, right? So I'm giving one more. See, we have for product name, we are going to group by with product name, right? For product name, we have two names similar, that is charts and charts. It's going to take minimum value of product price. That is, we have 10 and 5. So, what is the minimum value? That is 5. So, for charts, it's going to take only 5 only. It's not going to print this 10. I will show that one. Right. See, we got only charts for 5 only. We didn't get the 10, right? So it's going to take only minimum value for this charts. Like that, for a column which we mentioned in this group by, it's going to take the aggregate function, that is, I mean, or max, whatever the value we have given. It's going to take this one, and here we are going to get that value. So now I will show you max function. Here we got only 5, right? See, here we got 10 because it's going to take, that is, we have 5 and 10. What is the maximum value? That is 10, right? So here we are going to take only 10. A simple, these aggregate functions are very simple. That is, uh, the value which we are going to give this group by is going to check the value, that is a product name. So here we have product. To check the whether we have uh, two or more values and all, we have same value for two products, right? Charts and charts. So it's going to take aggregate function. That is, here we have mentioned maximum value. So it's going to take the product name which we have max value, that is 10. If we mention min, it's going to take minimum value. Like that, it's going to uh, we are going to give this aggregate function min and max value. I will explain this group by function, group by class later videos. You are going to get more information about this group by class. In next video, I am going to explain the remaining aggregate functions. Please feel free to comment down in this comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe for more content for this coding practice. Thank you.